Before architecture, there was stone, and stone remembers what time has written. Traditional stone is heavy, fragile, and wasteful in processing. Polished surfaces pursue instant brilliance, yet struggle to withstand the passage of time. These limitations make traditional stone difficult to meet the needs of modern spaces, for large formats, finished products, and reliable delivery. In response, MOREROOM co-creates with nature, introducing a new category of stone, premium marble composite slab. MOREROOM integrates lightweight multi-material composite technology, structurally combining 4.57mm natural stone with substrates such as sintered stone, fiberglass, and aluminum honeycomb. The result preserves the authentic beauty of natural stone while significantly enhancing its performance. More beautiful, with MOREROOM's engineered contemporary textured finish, natural stone is reimagined. Controlled undulations, balanced proportions, precise layering, allowing classic stone to speak in a contemporary language. Larger formats, up to 1,800 times 3,500 millimeters. Lighter structures, reducing transportation and installation costs. Greater stability, minimizing breakage and hidden cracks. Easier installation for faster and more efficient construction, transforming stone into order, strength, and art within space. MOREROOM Stone was established in 2012 with over 12,000 square meters of natural stone and sintered stone industry landmark, Arts Red Hall. To date, we have completed over 100 international projects, serving clients in more than 130 countries and regions. From raw blocks to refined masterpieces, from standard slabs to custom designs, and even personalized dimensions and specifications, our highly flexible supply chain meets the vision of any project. We deliver more than stone. We deliver a heritage. MOREROOM Premium Marble Composite Slab. Redefining luxury residence.